So good evening. Good evening, everybody. It's the end of the 10th DeepSec. DeepSec number 10. Depends on which numbering system you regard that, but actually we are in decimal. We're running this show now for 9 years. And we're really proud that we are still around, we're still here. And yeah. Good evening. I mean, to me, the DeepSec is a little bit funny because I remember I just said good morning just a short time ago, and the time between that is mostly blurry and kind of fuzzy. But now we are done at the show, and of course we will have a after party again at the Meta Lab. I believe the information is around.
Yeah, it's written on the schedule.
Page, yeah.
If you read the schedule, we will maybe be there not at 8 o'clock and probably won't start at 8 o'clock, but it's starting officially at 8 o'clock. But
I think 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock might be good.
Whenever you're ready, you will find
so
others from the conference there, and we will be there at least until we pass out, probably, because we're a bit tired. And we hope to see you there. You can get a tour of the hackerspace, and you can connect with others. Maybe you hadn't had time enough for talks here. And the hackerspace has some room for discussion and for drinks.
Yeah, so thank you, everybody. And I hope we will see you soon again on May, probably.
Very probably in May, because as I said in the opening, we have the security intelligence event. It is planned for May. Sorry. And we will publish a preliminary program probably in February, March, because we already got some submissions. If you're into security intelligence, if you hunt threats, if you trace the way attackers find your way in your network on your servers, let us know, because Deep Intel is a bit smaller and you have more time to discuss all the details. And to phrase it with the idiom, what happens at Deep Intel stays at Deep Intel.
Yes, it will be a closed door invitation or recommendation only. We have a slight vetting process, not really very hard, just to keep the gray hats, black hats out. And there will be no publications. We'd like people to be able to exchange security intelligence in a trusted environment. Addresses especially critical infrastructure, finance industry, public administration, and the like. And this would be our target. So thank you very much. And
yeah, on a side note, for you who read the tweet about IPv6, so Representative Speaker's dinner, IPv6 just texted us. It needs a job.
Oh yeah, IPv6 needs a job. This is great. I just looked it up again. Next month in December, IPv6 turns 21, which means next month IPv6 can legally buy booze in the United States. And actually, if it was your child, it might be moving out now. But what is IPv6 doing? Still sitting in the basement, watching TV, playing video games, actually not doing anything. This is actually a little bit frustrating, I believe now. 25 years after the introduction of IPv6, some large services on the internet, they're kind of proud now. They are doubling the IPv6 user numbers. They had something like 0.2, 0.4, 0.8% IPv6. I mean, I really don't understand why the implementation of IPv6 is so slow and when nobody's doing anything. It gives you much better end-to-end security. It finally got rid of this nasty, dirty NAT, network address translation, that prohibits security on so many levels. So this is also one thing which is important to me. Now, please take a look at IPv6 solutions. Look at the security model, look at the benefits, and don't be shy to implement it. Major products are supporting IPv6 now for I don't know how many years. standard out of the box. Yeah, this is my little fetishism almost.
Yeah, we will do the same. Maybe DeepSec 11, you will have IPv6. We're working on this since the 6th DeepSec.
Yeah, we're trying to convince our service provider to have an IPv6 native uplink, and we still don't have it.
Okay, but we hope you enjoyed the talks, the hotel, meeting each other, talking to each other. We will have this again in November next year, or probably October. We're thinking about this.
Yeah.
And we hope you enjoyed your time here and that you had at least some new insights, some ideas to share. And we hope to see you all at the party.
So, thank you and good night. See you later at the Metal Lab.